On April 17, Huawei's new generation of health smart bracelet, Huawei Band 8, was officially released. Since the release of the first Huawei bracelet, Huawei has been committed to guiding users to establish a new healthy lifestyle through more scientific sports and health monitoring. Today, what are the advantages of Huawei Band 8, which has been iterated 7 times? Presumably everyone's mood is as urgent as my mother's. The first impression of Huawei Band 8 is probably that it reveals a touch of personality in its simplicity. A 1.47-inch AMOLED colorful full screen with a right-angle frame, which is officially called fashionable small vertical edge, perfectly interweaves practical aesthetics and cool technological style. The Huawei Band 8 has 4 colors: Magic Night Black, Cherry Pink, Emerald Green, and Vibrant Orange. I got the Emerald Green version. The appearance style of the strap of Huawei Band 8 is similar to that of a watch, but the width will be narrower. And when I put it on, the thin and light touch further increased my liking for it, which made me look forward to the next actual hands. The main body of Huawei Band 8 is 13.9 grams, the strap is 10.1 grams, and the total weight is only 24 grams. There is even a woven strap version of less than 4 grams, which can be set to be very light. It is worth mentioning that the thickness of Huawei Band 8 is only 8.99 millimeters. This is Huawei's lightest and thinnest large-screen smart bracelet so far, and it is also Huawei's first large-screen smart bracelet with a thickness of less than 9 millimeters. At the same time, the skin-friendly feel of the silicone strap is also worthy of praise. As for the benefits of thinness, I don't know if you have the habit of wearing smart bracelets or smartwatches to sleep. The obvious foreign body sensation of many similar products makes people very uncomfortable and can't sleep at all. One of the functions of purchasing a wristband is to monitor sleep to see if you are sleeping soundly, but the result is just the opposite, causing more insomnia, which is very embarrassing. In terms of screen, the 1.47-inch AMOLED screen is responsible for the display and most of the control operations. The 65% screen-to-body ratio is quite okay in the wristband category, and there will be enough margin for thumb sliding operations. As for the look and feel of the screen, AMOLED 368 by 194 resolution, 2.5D high-quality curved glass screen, and curved glass cover are enough to guarantee the visual effect. And if you want a more fashionable and interesting picture, Huawei Band 8 also provides 10,000 plus different watch faces. We can also wear watch faces and match appropriate dials, according to different daily wears to meet individual needs. Thinking back to when I just got the physical examination report of high blood pressure and high blood sugar, I was really flustered. In the past 2 years, my goal in life is to stay up less late and exercise more, but I ask myself, how many of them can really achieve it? Therefore, we urgently need products like Huawei Band 8 to guide and urge us to move towards healthy work and life. Next, I will briefly talk about the real experience of using the Huawei Band 8. In my sleep status, the system reminded me to wake up 3 times in a row. The problem of easy waking is more obvious, and reminded me that I have the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as high blood pressure and atrial fibrillation. Moreover, the system also analyzed the ratio of my deep sleep and light sleep. Moreover, in order to be able to monitor the user's health for a long time around the clock, while supporting the more accurate Huawei TruSeen 5.0 heart rate monitoring technology, Huawei Band 8 also added a 7-day resting heart rate curve. Similarly, Huawei Band 8 also supports continuous blood oxygen saturation monitoring throughout the day, and 24-hour intelligent continuous monitoring. If the blood oxygen saturation is suddenly low, the bracelet will also automatically alarm to remind the user to pay attention. After all, more accurate data can show your physical condition more objectively. In the exercise options of Huawei Band 8, we see 100 types of exercise such as running, cycling, swimming, and rope skipping, covering almost all of our daily exercise items. Since the goals and body loads of different sports are different, you can choose sports according to your own characteristics, and the system monitoring data will be more accurate. During the exercise monitoring process, the exercise interface of Huawei Band 8 is relatively simple and clear. Through the monitoring of heart rate, pace and other data, it shows what state your body is in. From the easiest warm-up to anaerobic exercise, let you know your exercise situation well. In addition to health and exercise monitoring, Huawei Band 8 is also our portable smart terminal. Another point that makes me very happy is the built-in multifunction NFC module of Huawei Band 8. Companies and homes need to swipe cards to enter, but special shaped cards need to be found every day, which is really inconvenient. Now, we can bind the access control card to the wristband and swipe it directly, and it will be in seconds. In addition, Huawei Band 8 also supports fast charging and long battery life. It can be used for 2 days after charging for 5 minutes, and can be fully charged in 45 minutes. The battery life can last up to 2 weeks. For a long time, smart bracelets have not been my core product, but they are the core technology products of people like my mother. They have health monitoring and message reminder needs, and are more sensitive to wearing comfort and price. For them, the technological well-being brought by smart bracelets is enough to meet their daily needs. And for friends who like sports, or the student party who are still in school, Huawei Band 8 will be a very worthy choice among entry-level wearable devices. Finally, if I sum up the real experience of using Huawei Band 8 in one sentence, it is that innovation is carried in the inheritance, and the practical and easy-to-use technology will benefit the people of the country, leading to a new way of life that is healthier, more convenient, and full of happiness. What do you think about the new Huawei Band 8? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.